Following President Richard Englert's announcement of retirement last summer, the Temple Board of Trustees are still searching for the right person to fill the position. As the spring 2021 semester is coming to a close, the search is also nearing its end. Vice President of the Board of Trustees, Ann Nadal, gave me a new update on how the search for Temple's 12th president is going. The search for Temple's 12th president is making great progress, and the committee has narrowed the field of excellent candidates. The search committee hopes and expects to recommend a finalist to the Board of Trustees in the coming weeks. Not only is the board eager to fill the position, but students are also looking forward to meeting the new president. Junior Taylor Smith shared her thoughts on the qualities she would like to see in Temple's new leader.
Someone with strong leadership skills, cares about the community, as well as the academics and Temple's culture.
Other students gave insight on how they think the search has been going.
I don't think that they're taking too long with it. Whoever they decide to choose has some pretty big shoes to fill. So I think that taking their time and finding that person that's perfect for Temple is really important.
If you want to stay updated on how the search is going, visit temple.edu's homepage and hit the presidential search box. Reporting for Temple Update, I'm Madison McDonald.